Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Woody from Toy Story. We're going to get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So let's move over to the left side and draw a circle. Starting from the very top, just carefully work our way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. We're going to leave a small gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of the eye and then draw that same size circle. Now we're going to push the iris and pupil in towards the center. So on the left side, we're going to start with a smaller circle, leaving a gap on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's add a highlight circle over on the left side. So up against the side of the iris, draw a small circle. Now in the center of the iris, we're going to draw in the pupil. So this is going to get tucked in underneath the highlight. Start underneath the highlight, go around. We're going to fill that in black. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add the eyebrows above each eye. So we start on the left side. I'm going to curve up and then pull that in. We're going to cap off the end with a straight line. Now I'm going to take the end here and just taper it in towards the top of that line. Curving up, then in. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Just lining up the inside corner, go around and then down towards the side of the eye. Flatten off the inside. And then taper down to the outside corner. Now let's move in and draw on the nose. So we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, coming down, then back up. Directly below the nose, we're going to add the top edge of the mouth. Starting on the left side, we'll curve down in the middle, and back up on the right. Let's draw on the bottom of the mouth. So from the end of the line, we're just going to step in a little, curve down, and then back up on the right. Let's add the top row of teeth. Starting on the left, we'll curve down, go across, and then up on the right. Now along the bottom, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going up and then down. Let's add the corners of the mouth. On this side, we're just going to draw a bracket, going across, going the opposite direction on the right side. Now directly below the mouth, we're going to draw a curve, coming down and up for the lip. Let's move back up and draw the top edge of the hat. So on the left side, just above the eyebrows, we're going to curve up, and back down on the right side. Now from here we're going to draw on the lower part of the head. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out, down towards the chin. Now we're going to round out the chin. Now we're going to pull that back up on the right side. Going around, and then up. Let's add in the side of the hair. So just at the top here on the left, we're going to curve down, and then out. Do that on both sides. Now you can see a little bit of his hair coming down in the center. So just above the eyebrow, we're going to curve down, back up on the right. Now let's draw on the outside edge of the hat brim. Starting on the left, on the side of the head, we're going to curve out. We're going to round this out and then pull that in. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving out, rounding it out, and then pulling that in. From here, we're going to curve up and then down in the middle. We'll go back to the left side, we'll curve up, pull it down in the middle, and then back up on the right side. We're just going to blend that in. Now let's draw on the top of the hat. In line with the side of the head, we're going to move up, angle up and in with a short line. Do that on both sides. Now we're just going to cap off the top with a curve, going up in the middle and then back down. Now we just want to add a stitch line along the top edge of the hat brim. So we're going to start on the left side. Start with a curve coming down and in. Now we're going to draw that twice. We'll just cap off the end with a straight line. Let's work our way over towards the right. We're going to leave a large gap, draw two curves coming down, then cap off the end, move over and just continue going down. Now in the center, we're just going to go straight down, cap this off. Now we're going to curve in the opposite direction, curving down and over towards the left. One more on the end here. Now let's move to the side and draw on his ears. From the bottom edge of the hat brim, we're going to step down, we curve out, round out the ear, and then pull that in. Now we're going to add the inside of the ear. Starting down here, we're going to curve in and then down towards the side of the head on both sides. Now that we've got the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the handkerchief around the neck first. Starting on the left, we'll curve down and then back up. Let's draw on the side of the body. From the handkerchief, we're going to step out, curve out, and then down. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve, going down and then up. Now on the top right, we're going to add the star. Start with a point. We'll come down on either side with a straight angled line. Go out to the sides. We're going to come down and in. Now we're going to go back out. Down and out. Now we're going to take these 2 points and merge up towards the middle point. Now we're going to draw the collar in behind the handkerchief. On the left side, we're going to angle down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're just going to pull this up and out towards the side of the body. Now this is going to go in behind the star on the right side. Let's add in the inside edge of the vest. Starting from the top of the collar, I'm going to come down. I'm just going to curve this out towards the left. Do the same thing on the right. This is going to go in behind the star and curve out towards the right. Let's add the top edge of the belt. From the bottom of the vest, we'll curve down and then up on the right. Let's add the buckle. So it's a sideways oval, starting from the top. Just going to go around. And we're going to add 2 belt loops, 2 straight lines, side by side on either side. Now we're going to add 2 buttons in the shirt. Starting from the top, we'll add a circle. Then we'll add 1 at the bottom. Now from the bottom of the handkerchief, we're going to draw a straight line coming down in behind the buttons, in between, and then down towards the belt. Now I want to add a little bit of a cowhide pattern to the vest. So we're going to start on this side. We're just going to draw a wavy line that goes out. On the inside, we're going to go in the opposite direction, going around and then down. We're going to fill those areas in black. Now I'm going to add 1 on the bottom here. I'm just going to go up and then down. We'll fill that in black as well. Now let's continue working down with the legs. I'm going to start with the lower torso first. From the corner of the hip, we're going to curve out and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve, coming down and back up. In the center, I'm going to draw 2 straight lines coming down side by side. On the side of the hips, we're going to add 2 pockets. Underneath the belt loop, we'll curve down and out. Now let's draw on the lower part of the leg. Leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, we're going to curve out and then down towards the left, then out and then down towards the right. We're going to round out the bottom of the feet with a curve, coming down and up towards the toe. Now we're going to round out the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we'll curve up. Now I'm going to curve this down, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop there. Do the same thing on the right side. Let's thicken up the sole. Taking this curve, we're just going to duplicate that right up above on both sides. Now let's go back up to the top of the foot. On the left side, we're going to angle up and out with a short line. Same thing on the right. Now we're going to curve down and then back up on the inside of the leg. Now we're going to draw the outside of the leg. We're going to draw 2 curves. Starting from the hip, we're going to curve out and then in about halfway. Do that again. We'll just tuck this in behind the boot. Do the same thing on the right side. Now from this point, I'm going to curve down and then in. On the left hip, we're going to add the holster. Starting from the top corner of the belt, we'll go out with a straight line. We're going to come straight down and then curve that in towards the side of the leg. Now let's move back up and draw on the arms. About halfway down the side of the body, curve out and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Now back on the left side, we're going to draw on the thumb. A small half circle. At the end of the thumb, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll come down and up around the bracket. Go to the bottom again, curve down and up the second finger. Then we're going to step up, curve out, and then pull the arm up in underneath the head just beside the body. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add in the cuff of the shirt. Starting from the wrist, we'll curve down and up on both sides. Now we're just going to thicken up the cuff, going straight up, following that same curve going in and out. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is add the knot of the handkerchief on the left side here. Starting on the side of the head, we're gonna curve up and then down. Now we're gonna curve back in the opposite direction, in behind the arm, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Woody from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.